What's up, mamas? Happy New Year. I hope you have all had a wonderful start to 2019. Today I want to share something fun that I decided to put together, and that is a self-care for moms challenge. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 10 simple self-care ideas for you to pick one daily to implement for a total of 7 days. Any mama who wants to partake in this 7-day challenge will be entered to win a self-care package that I have put together. So the challenge is gonna start today and it'll run through February 7th. So that's gonna give you 2 weeks to implement the 7 straight days of self-care. So basically, if it doesn't work for you to start today or tomorrow, you have until February 7th to complete the 7 straight days. And you know, it'll be fun. I want to see you guys get into this and know what it feels like to do something nice for yourself for 7 days in a row, because it probably doesn't happen often. Plus, you're going to be entered to win the awesome package that I've put together. So there's motivation. If you're interested, please make sure you check the link down below for all of the information in terms of rules and all that good stuff. Super straightforward, but just click the link. So without further ado, here are 10 simple yet delicious ideas for your one act of self-care daily. The first is to simply put a towel in the dryer before your bath or your shower. You know, it's so funny because this is like such an underrated thing that we can do. I think I saw this on Pinterest and I was like, why haven't I been doing this? It's so easy, but it does feel so nice. The heat from the towel has a calming effect on our nervous system. And in the winter months, it's extra nice to have a little bit of warmth. The second tip along the lines of the heated towel is to grab a heated blanket. Maybe after the kids have gone to bed, you're going to put on your favorite show, or maybe you're just gonna cuddle up with your laptop and bust out a couple of emails. Having the heated blanket is a nice calming input to our nervous system, and it's just some extra loving for you. The third tip is to go to bed early. This seems really hard when we've got 1,000,001 things to do after we put the kids down, but you know, just take one day where you either fall asleep with your kids on their schedule, or just say, I'm not doing everything else today. I'm going to bed because I know I'm gonna feel that much better when I wake up in the morning. The fourth tip is to invest in or make a really good moisturizer. So after we take our nice long bath or our shower, let's treat ourselves with some nice lotion. Obviously, just rubbing it in is a treat in and of itself, but investing in our skincare and taking care of our skin will pay dividends for many years to come. The fifth tip is to simply light a candle. So easy to do, and you know, I know all of us mamas know how easy it can shift our mood when we have a delicious scent that's floating through the air, or you know, just the ambiance of a flickering light. Sixth self-care idea is to call a friend and catch up. So in the age of technology and texting, it kind of feels like sometimes we're really disconnected from the people who are even closest to us. So take that 10 minutes after you put the kids down one night, call your friend, catch up, see what's going on, maybe even schedule a day to physically get together. You can do it. The seventh self-care tip is to unplug from your TV and listen to a podcast or an audiobook. So the next self-care idea I have for you guys is to jot down some thoughts in a journal. I know it's a hard habit to maybe keep up with, but you can do it for a day. Maybe write down the highs and the lows of that day or the week. Being a mama means that we're constantly chasing after these kids and they're growing up so quickly and the days go so fast that it'd be nice to have a place to look back on and see the things that were happening in that moment in time. So us being able to capture a good memory or an opportunity for growth, it's therapeutic. The ninth self-care for moms idea I have is to clear a messy space. Take the time to clean up a small space that would make you feel better. For me, it's my office. I'm not gonna get anything done if there's clutter everywhere in my office. Forget it, I cannot be productive. So invest 5-10 minutes just to pick up. If it's your kitchen, clean the kitchen. If it's your office, clean the office. Maybe it's your bedroom. It's hard to like get restful sleep when things are everywhere. You're stepping on toys, whatever it is. Clean a messy space. The last idea that I have is probably my favorite, and that would be to perform an act of kindness. If you've done it before, you know it feels so much better to do it than it probably does for the other person to receive it, although it feels great to receive an act of kindness as well. All right, mamas, I want you guys to leave a comment down below and let me know what you're willing to commit to. Is it 1 day? Is it 7 days? Is it a month? Let's help hold one another accountable to our commitments. And just one more reminder, everything you need to know to participate in this challenge is down below in the description box. There's a link, so click on that and you will have all the instructions to play. Can't wait to see you guys inside of the challenge. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.